My dissertation research in my graduate program in the Harvard Ed School was focused on why certain students were successful in college, particularly African American males. They're much maligned in education, and yet I was successful, and so were countless others that went to school with me. One of the factors that contributes to success is a high level of self-efficacy. That is, confidence that they will be successful in their domain or at the task. Well, it just turns out that one of the components of self-efficacy sources is something called a vicarious experience. That is the power of role models. Seeing someone with whom I can relate having success gives me confidence that I can have success. Students who have high degree of self-efficacy are much more persistent, they're much more resilient, they put in more effort, and they're much more successful in a number of domains, including academics. Another component of self-efficacy is not just vicarious experience, but what is called subjective judgment. That is, I like to call it the Home Depot approach, which is you can do it, we can help. Hearing someone that you value tell you that you can be successful in this domain at task also boosts my confidence. One example, when I was a freshman, I was taking multivariable calculus, and the professor pulled me aside and asked me if I would consider majoring in mathematics because I was having success in that class. I don't think I touched the ground for another week after hearing from this notable lecturer about my possibility. That's the role that professionals, STEM professionals, can play, is role modeling and mentoring, speaking into the lives of young people, encouraging them to do that. At NSBE, we have self-efficacy built throughout our network. Our summer engineering experience for kids, for 3rd to 5th graders, is taught by college students who are majoring in engineering. And they come in and speak to these young people. So these young people look up to them and say, this is what I'm going to be I'll look like in 10 years, in 15 years. Our professionals serve as advisors and mentors to our pre-collegiates, our collegiates, and even to younger professionals as well. So from the 3rd grade on through the professionals, we have this self-efficacy embedded, institutionalized throughout the society. And I think we need to do that in a much larger scale across the country